don't know about you, but sometimes I really struggle with finding the perfect 808 for my beat. You know how it is, you've got tons of 808 samples and bass samples that you've collected over the years. Folders clogging up your hard drive, eating up all your space, and then you're there sifting through trying to find the perfect 808 for your beat. Just imagine having them all in one place, one plugin with infinite samples, just one simple click. So what I'm about to show you is the new 808 machine from Unison that will generate infinite 808s for your beats, for your music, free up so much time so you can just create. So I'm going to walk you through the plugin, show you what it can do and how you can use this in your music. Shout out Unison for sponsoring today's video. So let's just open up Unison 808 machine. Let's go stereo. So let's have a look at this plugin. So the UI looks okay. That's nice. It's very colorful. I like it. So then you've got different styles here, 5 different styles. You've got dirty, you've got lo-fi, you've got unique, aggressive, and clean. Over here, you've got the different sample rates, 1 times or 2 times. Here you can drag and drop your wave, your 808 sample. That sounds nice. And that's clean. And then over here, you've got the button. And when you click on that, it's going to generate a new 808 for you. And you can also save your sample if you want. I'm not going to do that right now. And then you click to generate. I like that. Let me save that. I've been looking for a good bass for ages, and I'm going to save this. I've already saved some basses and 808s because, yeah, I just had a quick run through it just to see what it's about, and yeah, I'm liking it at the moment. Let's just quickly run through it and see what else it can do. So then you've got the velocity. You can change the velocity. Let's try a different 808. You can change to mono. You can change the legato. You can change the curve, that's nice. The sounds are really nice, sound good. And you can change the gain of the sample. You've got your ADSR down here, which is the attack, decay, sustain, and release. Let's push the attack up just to see what that sounds like. So a bit of sound design there. Then we've got the kick section. So we can add in some more kick, or we can just leave it pure 808. You can add some more knock. That feels like a ramp. Yeah, nice. And then change the transient shape of the 808 sample as well. Then you've got your drive knob. So you can really get dirty with this. And you can change the amount that you want to add some drive in there. With your mix slider, you've got a noise slider as well. So you can really get stuck in and shape your sound. That's nice. And then you've got the tone. And you can whoop it. What I want to know is if you can automate that, because if you can, then dubstep producers, you're gonna love this. Let's just try it quickly. I'll try that after I show you the rest of parameters. So you've got your side chain. Okay. I'd have to play about that for a bit more just to really get to understand what that does. But it sounds like it's like a ramp. I thought it would be like a continuous ramp, but I don't know. I'll have to play about it a bit more just to see how that really works. But that's another parameter you can use to shape your 808s. Then you've got your glide. And you can sync it to your, click on sync, you can sync it to your different times, your eighths, your quarters, your halves, and all that, which is cool. Scaled. No idea what that does. And you can resize it. And that's what I love. I love being able to resize plugins. It's 2024, we should be able to resize plugins. So that is the meat of the plugin. That's all the different parameters, different functions, sliders, knobs to your heart's content. So let's just generate a dirty sound and see what that brings. So that's got quite a bit of noise in it. I've took the noise out. It's quite a long release. This gives you so much. So you can tweak to your heart's content. Let's see if you can automate these parameters, because that would be really cool if you can do that. But if it can't, it's not the end of the world. So I'm create a little loop. So I forgot to mention as well, if you find a decent 808 and you're worried about losing it, then just go to save as and save it just like I did earlier. Because it seems like you can't go back to previous, or can you? Oh, you can, look. I lied. I forgot about the two arrows, your undo and your redo. Cool. So what I just said to you is null and void. Oh, this is, yeah, I like this. This is cool. Really cool. All right, let's see if we can automate. Let's go to latch, and I wanna see if that works. It's worked. Oh my. I might have to go back to creating dubstep. And there you can see the drive, look. Yeah, really cool, really nice. Okay, so I just want to show you what this thing can do on a beat. So I've got this beat here, and I'm just going to add some bass, so if I can find a nice bass for it. Actually, I've already got a nice bass for it. So I'm just going to put the bass on that I feel will work for this. And that's fade bass. Happy with that bass. I'll turn it down a touch, and then I want to add an 808 in there. Let's find a nice 808. I don't want it dirty. Hey. Oh dear, it crashed on me. Right, cool. So this is the 808 that I want. And I want to bring that in just as the kicks come in. So let's see if we can do that. Ooh, yeah, game changer. Okay, let's turn that down a bit. All right, let's just quickly run through, see how that sounds. So my thoughts on this plugin is, wow. I'll be honest, I didn't expect it to be that good. I was skeptical. I had my doubts. But now I feel like I've got a place where I can just find all my 808 sounds. I can save them all in one place. I'm not clogging up my hard drive with endless samples. It's all in one plugin. 808 machine by Unison. There's a link in the description for you to go and check it out for yourself, guys. There's a discount, so get involved. Appreciate you for watching this video and spending time vibing with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Damn, the plugin's sick.